Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Thursday the 17th and Friday the 18th of January 2019. This will be the last market preview for the week. As usual, we don't typically do a market preview for Fridays as most of the week has already played out. This is no exception as this will be options expiration. There was a boring session today. Markets basically closed flat overall after gapping up. And we didn't really see an options unraveling move. So unless that's still with us or ahead of us, doesn't bode well for the rest of the week. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. Daily chart, the broad market and futures form still struggling right at that resistance area I pointed out, right around just above 2,600. Can't get through. Let's go through the major indices on the daily charts. We'll look at the intraday action and then look at the talk about the data that's left for the week. Crude oil literally down 13 cents, doesn't really matter. Gold down 60 cents. S&P cash up $5.80, which is nothing obviously. The Nasdaq 100 literally down a point. So that didn't go anywhere either. The SOX down $9.84. Biotech's down 19.90. Russell 2000 up 9. The VIX up 44 cents. The trend closes at 1.01. The 10-day moving average right around there as well. Nasdaq volume was 2. They're saying 2.2. It was 2.1 billion. It must have printed some late volume. That was a little better than the last couple of days, by the way. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 728, more stocks up than down. On the New York plus 695. Google gains $3 even. Apple up $1.87. Netflix down $3.25. Amazon up $9.22. Tesla gained $1.50 basically. It was higher and came back. Facebook down $1.41. Goldman Sachs up $17.17. TLT, the 20-year, by the way, that's a big move on Goldman Sachs, obviously. Huge there. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up 12 cents, which is really nothing, and the Dow is up 141 points. All right. In terms of intraday action, here's the 5-minute charts. And you can see, it was pretty flat. We gapped up a little bit, tried to go higher, came back, made an inverted cup. Couldn't really break that. Got really, really flat and narrow over lunch. Tried to move back up, sweep the highs, and then came back late. NASDAQ side, a little weaker, actually. Never got back above the midpoint in the afternoon. So a little gap up, surged higher, came back and filled the gap, and then basically just flatlined for the rest of the day. One of the least interesting trading days that you can get when you see it like that. In terms of data coming out still this week, Thursday, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index and the weekly initial and continuing jobless claims numbers an hour before the bell. Natty Gas an hour into the market. The G20 meetings go into day 2. Friday, we've got capacity utilization and industrial production at 9:15 a.m. and University of Michigan sentiment 30 minutes into the market. So that's it. And again, we've got options expiration on Friday, so keep that in mind because that should flatline us on Friday. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading Thursday.